Good morning students, here your teacher Bhavna from the Eduvent channel. Now we are continuing with the 8th class exercise 1.1. The first question of exercise 1.1 is using appropriate property find. Here our first question is minus 2 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 5 plus 5 upon 2 minus 3 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 6. So this is our first question. Now we will solve this sum with the appropriate property. Now look here. Three upon 5 and 3 upon 5 is repeated 2 times. So we make a group in which these digits come close. So our next step is to make these digits come close. It means we will write these digits together. 3 multiply 3 upon 5. Then here is a minus, so we will write here minus 3 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 6. Now we take this digit at the last plus 5 upon 2. Now this process is called associative property. This rule come in a category of associative property because we make these digits come close which having the 3 upon 5 as a multiplication. Now here what we will do the next, we will take a 3 upon 5 as a common, then we make, now here minus 3 upon 5 is a common, so here we are not writing the 3 upon 5 up again, we are writing here 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 2. So here our next step is to solve this mid value, bracket value first. So when we are solving the bracket value first, so this is called distributive property. Distributive property, in which we solve this bracket 3 upon 5. Now here 6 is a 6 and 3, so we will take a LCM of 3 and 6. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Here the 2 1 is we are writing here as it is, and 2 1 ja 2. So LCM of 3 and 6 equal to 3 multiply 2. So we will get the 6 as a LCM. So we write the 6 as a denominator for both. Here minus 2 because the 6 comes in the second time of the table of 3. So we are multiply this digit with the 2 and here 1. And because in the table of 6 come at the 1st time, so here we are multiplying 1 with the 1 plus 5 upon 2. Now our next step is 3 upon 5. Now here 2 2 ja 4 minus 4. Here 1 1 ja 1. So minus 6. Here is 6. Then plus 5 upon 2. Now we will go to the next step. 3 upon 5, because here both values are in a minus, so we will add them and put the sign of minus. 4 plus 1 is 5, and we get this. Now here the 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5, so it become minus 1, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So here we get the next value minus 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2. Now what, here the denominator are same, so we are not taking a LCM because LCM gets same. So we are taking the 2 minus 1 plus 5. So here when we solve it, it's become a 4 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So our answer is 2. Here after solving this sum, we get the answer 2. So the answer, we will write answer A and S here is 2. Now in the second question, second part of the same question, our question is 2 upon 5 multiply minus 3 upon 7 minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 14 multiply 2 upon 5. Now this is our second question, second part of the first question. Here look the question thoroughly, and we will get 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 5 as a common. So what we will do, we will write them in a close way. Minus 3 upon 7, these digits become close to each other. Now here is a sign of plus, so we are writing here the plus. 1 upon 14 into 2 upon 5, then we write this value minus 1 upon 6 into 3 upon 2. Now look here, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Now we will move towards the next step of the same question. Our next step is to take 2 upon 5 as a common. 2 upon 5 we are taking as a common, and then our value is minus 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 14. And here what we get? 1 multiply 1, it means 1, and here 2 multiply 2, it means it become 4. So we get this digit after solving the few steps. Then after we solve this, we have to take a common of 7 and 14. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, here 2, 2 1 ja 2. So LCM of 7 and 14 equal to 2 into 7. It means become a 14. So here we will take 14 as a LCM of both. Now in the table of 7, the 14 comes to the second time. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So we are multiplying here the 2 plus, but in a table of 14, the 14 comes at the 1's time. So we are multiplying this digit with a 1. Then minus 1 upon 4. Then after what we get? 2 upon 5 here, 2 3 just 6, minus 6 plus 1, 14, minus 1 upon 4. Now next is 2 upon 5. Here we are getting the minus value, minus 5, because when we deduct the 1 from the 6, it becomes the 5, but the sign should be same as a bigger value. So here the bigger value is 6, so our sign is minus. Now 14 minus 1 upon 4. Here, look here. 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. Here is minus 1. Here is 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14. So here what we get? 1 upon minus 1 upon 7, then minus 1 upon 4. When we take a LCM of 1 upon 4, and because both are having no common number, so we are multiplying directly this, or either you will take a LCM, it's up to you. 7 1 ja 7, but 4 we are writing as it is. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Now again 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now here the LCM is 7 2 ja 14, 14 2 ja 28. Here the LCM is 28 minus 1, because in the table of 7 the 28 comes to at the fourth time, so we are multiplying here the 4, and in the table of 4 28 comes at the 7th time, then we are taking multiplying this minus 1 with the 7. Here is minus 4 minus 7, 28. So we get minus 11 upon 28 as an answer. Answer is equal to minus 11 upon 28. Now write down this answer in the notebook.